Hello everyone, today I am making whole wheat mini pizza. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Now take a bowl, add hunkered milk, olive oil, salt, mix it properly. Now keep it aside. Now take bowl, whole wheat flour and baking powder and add curd mix gradually. Please do check my description box for the measurement of ingredients. Use your hand to make a smooth dough. Cover it and keep it for 15 minutes. For the sauce, mix tomato sauce, pizza sauce, mixed Italian herb or oregano, salt, pepper. Mix it properly. Keep it aside. Now sprinkle some flour and put the dough on a floor. Roll out the dough. It should be thick. Use a glass to cut out small circular pieces and place them on a lined baking tray. Take the remaining dough and cut it in small circular pieces. You can see we have placed all the mini pizza. Now spread sauce. Now sprinkle cheese. Top it with peppers. If you want, you can use corn or any other veggies too. Now bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can see it is baked. Garnish it with fresh basils and enjoy.